What's up guys, welcome back to another video at After Customs. So yeah guys, ja, ik voel elke keer when we do the intro. So yeah guys, it does not stay behind. But anyway guys, yeah, good morning. Welcome back to another video. Me and Ethan, we just currently on our way to Grant now. Grant has run into a little snag. So we're just going to go and see if we can assist him quickly in getting his car prepared and everything. But bro, why is this thing hopping so? Sure. Yo, look, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm hopping.
Especially in lower areas, yeah.
Yeah, but like you did the pool now, it didn't do anything. Like
yeah, it's like a little blower is.
Yeah, so yeah guys, it is on a Saturday morning, very early, and we're on the road already. Me and Ethan had a little bit of a rough night last night. So yeah, my head is sore, but anyway, we're outside. So yeah, we're just gonna go throw in some fuel quickly, and then we're off to Grant's place. So yeah, come along with the journey. Welcome back. Doesn't want to play with him. Trying out this POV drive, guys. POV, point of view. Oh, tidak op supaya ikan nih, it's nice. Dari dagi after I bisu ada kena bisu kemana? Man is vol gries.
Yeah, nice fuck.
So zie je bro. Here we go. Let's bleed.
Hey!
Let's go. Wat er gemaakt mee bro? Huh? Wat had er gemaakt?
Nee, ik heb die download zijn. Er zijn niks pressure meer. Pressure daar, maar als je pressure daar onder.
No pressure at the bottom.
Oh.
It's sorted out man bro.
Ja, nou is gebruik kookborrels.
Kookborreltjes.
Kookborreltjes, ja.
Hacks, the hacks of life. Force. There we go.
Nog een beetje. Nee, op. Alles is toe, man.
Shit. No bayo. So yeah guys, after doing trial and error that we found out now, the new master cylinder is not doing its job, so we're just heading back to the space shop now and try and exchange it for a different one, because the car absolutely has to drive today. So
not try and exchange, we're going to exchange.
But you must know how space shops are, man. It's not their fault. Understand? It's not their fault. Kan die myne?
Niks straight af met die kon.
Ja, ek dink ek het bonnetjies gekom.
Mooi, die man is stout. Ja, klei die man met hy bonnet.
Nee, spring se kan is lekker nie man.
Sy beklei met die bonnet sien. Hy sou dit maar. Yeah guys, we just got back from the spare shop now with a different part. Just busy installing it quickly. Yeah, and then we get to pumping it again. See if it works this time. Just like I said, this car needs to drive today. We have an event to be at. We have wheel swaps to do today still, so a lot of stuff going down today. But stay tuned guys.
You need item call over?
Alweer is 'n bietjie vas. Do your job.
Go for gold. Let's go, it's working yeah. Okay, cool, so
Did you do it?
yeah.
Quick. Wat is hy?
Hy's prese wat so man.
So yeah, start up and see if we can get my guy.
Ek dink die plan gaan aan.
The plan is going on, yeah. Wait, let's just take this bottle and everything off here quickly.
Ja, nee. For good luck, missus.
Yes, by all means. Guys, don't reuse old brake fluid, even though that's new brake fluid. Still, it's contaminated, throw it away. Don't ever keep your brake fluid. Or don't even go through people's cars, paint work with it, please. She's alive!
Wat daar is.
Huh?
Don't get us do it.
There she go guys. Car has clutch again. Chapam. Hoe maak je het? Chapam. How's gear selection? Just gradually manual aeroplane courses. How's gear selection soft? Is het beter als het geweest het? Is het beter als het geweest het? Ja, dat grind in reverse, man, bro. I hate that. Als je wat is, dan denk ik het af nog. This thing is just, it just idles damn low. No? It idles nice, man, bro. Yeah, guys, this is probably the first and the last time you see this car with those wheels on it. So he's gonna get a set of different wheels again. So yeah, this is actually why we came to come and repair the car quickly, so we can go through to do the deal. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how the car's gonna turn out. Wait, sports loading. Huh? You say you want this car? This car's been on his radar for the longest time, bro. Chapang. Chap. Setahun ni dia kok.
Dia semua pagi dia.
Habis nak bilang less break.
Stop.
Kalau X penuh laki.
Ini ni wel. Hy kan dis. Is goed uit. Daar is 'n ander probleem.
Suspek tu.
Ja, ek wil hulle raad.
Ja, nee, maar ik zeg het. Ja, je ligt niet. Doe eens als ik overdoe.
So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, so bronze car is done. We actually making girls river. On our way to go and collect a parcel for Ricky quickly, and then we off to my place again. Because we have to go and prep for the takeover. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna take you guys along. So I know the camera is shaky and everything. I had a Susan. Yeah, we're just gonna go pick up a parcel for Ricky. It's actually the first time I'm gonna use a what you call it? Yeah, this man likes to limit this car, and this car likes to be limited. Bang on it! So yeah, guys, stay tuned. We're on it today. Guys, so yeah, me and the boys, we are just on our way to the mass parking of the bad apples now, so just doing a wheel swap quickly, as you've probably seen in the video. And yeah, we just got Lukmani along the way now, so yeah guys, come with us and enjoy the afternoon. I hope the cops don't lock us up. yeah guys, we're currently out here in Mitchell's Plain at the mass park of Takeover. So yeah guys, some pretty cool cars popped up here, some nice Polos, nice Toyotas, nice Hondas, a few Nissans, as you can hear. Somebody's popping off here. But yeah guys, I'm gonna give you guys a bit more cinematics and yeah, let's enjoy the show. Owens, on a scale of 1 to 10, how fucking cold is it here?
It's cold.
Scale of 1 to 10, how cold is it in Mitchell's Plain?
No music.
No music, yeah. But I'm in a shorts and easy. Voor me in shorts is in or sauce. Yo. So we hit into a small snag, guys. Put on the new wheels. Is that road, my guy? Turn around. So we hit into the snag. The rear wheels don't fit properly. It's hitting the shock tower. So I'm just out of breath. So yeah guys, yo, we almost did an oopsie, but yeah, check out this car. Pretty nice.